Thankfully, the 2030 project has not progressed as its architects intended. Ziyambi said the process will be rolled out before the festive season. Where is it? Sabina mashoko budapangwa ine bombshell Geza obudanyura chiti. Power that fears the end of days is power that has failed. Sadabina mashoko atona kuti bombshell Geza uyachipreza chiti at least we praise the Lord. Noda kuti 2030 project haina kufamba sekurongwa kwayo. Don't forget subscribe or like on the bell icon. Bombshell Geza anoenderambira nyura chiti resistance is emerged both from within and outside ZANU-PF. All veterans who remember the reasons behind our struggle have firmly rejected the blatant violations of our constitution. Citizens too have said no. For speaking this truth, I have paid the personal price. I was forced into hiding, not because I committed any crime, but because I refused to speak lies. But Mwari never dzimovenyika ino vari kundichengeta. Our history is replete with men and women driven into secrecy to silence the truth. In this case, however, the truth has only grown louder. As we speak, all veterans and many citizens were arrested for wanting to exercise their constitutional right on 17 October. I assure them, arrested, that their pain will not be in vain. As for me, my resolve has not weakened during this time. Quite the opposite. Being forced into hiding has reignited my desire to ensure that Zimbabwe is run by people who respect the liberation values, not the rubbish we have today. Fallen heroes did not die for Emerson and his crooks to live on the sweat of Zimbabweans. I remain connected to the heartbeat of Zimbabwe. I hear the cries of workers, vendors, farmers, youths, prisoners, and civil servants. I hear the frustration of the populace told to tighten their belts while others traverse the skies in private jets. Domashukwa nomudanyo kwa pangwa ino na bombshell Geza. When I comment section medu zafungo aim to deep on so pitch to each. So subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.